Well guys, I'm on my way to Aboworx to get the Honda Civic Si here checked up because we're still having issue with that. I don't know, guys. I remember I'm having that issue on that light on the ABS control module there. So for some reason it's always off, and I'm not able to turn it off or turn it on. That is, so there's gonna be some issues with the traction control before the winter comes. I would like to get it fixed and pretty much get him to do some scanning for me here and scan the car. Hopefully we can rectify the issue. So anyway, stay tuned. Well guys, I'm at my buddy Paulo's shop here, Aboworx, and just wanted to show you guys exactly. Here's beautiful car here, his drag racing car here. He has this beautiful engine bay here with a turbocharged K24 bottom. Pretty cool. He has a race coming up here this September the 20th in Edmonton. So yeah, if you guys have the chance, go watch him. In this case, pretty neat, nice car. By the way guys, this is an all-wheel drive. I believe that it has a CRV axle, right? CRV, yeah. So pretty cool. It's all stripped down, as you can see. Nice steering wheels, Momo steering wheels there, and as you can see there, it's all stripped out. Pretty nice, nicely done. As you guys can see here, hold on. There you go. Yeah, can't wait to see this in the drag race this coming September. See if I can make it in Edmonton there over that weekend. Yeah, if you can see the bottom here. Got the CRV rear axle there. Very nice.
Yun yung umiilaw?
So my buddy Paulo here actually just scanned the car. You know, we tried to clear it up for now and see if it's gonna come back. Possibly, most likely, over that winter time that I probably slipped or detected the slip. That light turned on, so we were able to do a series of checks, and then we were able to clear it out and see. Now it doesn't do that thing, so hopefully it doesn't come back. So I'll show you guys exactly what's going on here. As you guys can see, no more light, and our traction control does turn on and off now, which is nice. So hopefully that will stay there. If it's gonna come back, then we're gonna try and see what the heck is going on. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed a small little video that I have here. I just basically brought the Civic because, again, I'm having an issue with the Civic in the past few months with the traction control. So hopefully we cleared it out, and hopefully that it's gone basically here. So that way we can use it in the winter time, because I'm kind of scared to drive the car with no traction at all. So just in case we slipped or whatever, right? Because there's got the entire electronic control where it detects slip, or sort of the torque control for the engine and all that. So we don't want to be losing control because we don't have a traction control. So anyways, guys, without further ado, as I like to say it, peace out.